here today with Noel Cornejo, who's with Vestaron. Noel, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Appreciate your time.
Good to have you here today. We're talking today a little bit about what Vestaron does, maybe a bit about its products, but I want to start off, Vestaron, it's a company that uses the power of peptides. That's kind of, what you guys are all about. Some folks listening in might not be familiar with what a peptide is from a molecular perspective. Could you maybe enlighten us on what a peptide is, Noel?
Absolutely, Taylor. So a peptide is a short chain of amino acids, right? Amino acids are essentially organic compounds that are characterized by having a carboxyl group, amino group, on one side attached to a central carbon atom, right? Traditionally speaking, when people in the industry hear peptide, their mindset just goes strictly to nutritional, but what very few people realize and are now learning in the industry is that there are peptides that not only have the ability to be nutritional, such as the ones that we are already accustomed to in the industry, but there's also separate peptides that have different branch chain amino acids that have the ability to control insect pests, specifically lepidoptera.
One of those chemicals that you guys recently put out that is for lepidopteran pests, if I'm not mistaken, is Spear Lep. It's your guys' newest sort of dual mode of action bioinsecticide. Can you explain maybe in this context with something like Spear Lep how peptides in a product like that works against the pest?
Giving farmers the ability to put a product out that they don't have to worry about killing any off-target pests out there, right? No secondary mite flare-ups, no beneficials will get taken out, no bees, definitely, right? So the way this does it, this product is an ingestion product. We put out the Spear Lab with a low rate of a BT, and the way it works, once ingested, what the worm's going to do, they're going to continue to feed. The low rate of the BT is going to perforate the membrane that separates the midgut from the hemolymph, which is where Spear Lep needs to get to in order to access the target receptor. That small opening that's created by the BT gives the Spear Lep the access way it needs in order to be able to attach itself to the target receptor and effectively kill the lepidopteran pest that we're after.
Okay, certainly. I'm just curious, Noah, how would something like Spearlet maybe fit into a larger integrated pest management program? Would it stand alone or is it better with other things?
So this product is a standalone product. We don't need any other any other products in the tank, essentially, right? But Spear Lab doesn't need to be mixed with any other chemistries, traditional worm chemistries. We've seen we've done different trials with some of the industry leaders through UCAR, or oh, I'm sorry, we've done trials with individuals out of the UC extension to verify how our product is performing in comparison to some of the traditional chemistries that are out there and currently being utilized against lepidopteran pests. And what we've found is that our product is comparable to some of those industry standards, the competitors, competing products that are currently out in the market.